All right, welcome back everybody. Today we are replacing this piece of copper pipe that is butted up against a either PVC or PEX, and it was leaking. And today we're at my buddy's house and we are going to replace it. So what we've done is we've cut out the PVC portion and we attached a shark bite to kind of bypass the leak joint. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this copper pipe and use it still, recycle it, and put it back in the surface. Alright, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Instead of putting the valve into the wall, what we're going to do is we're going to use this other pipe and run an extension, an elbow, a long elbow, over to the side where the water heater is kept. And we're going to keep the valve with the water heater, so in case we got to turn it off. So the stub out on this side is a 3/4 thread, female thread. So we're going to jab an extension into it. And because it's loosely hanging in the wall inside, we're going to secure it so we don't end up with rattly pipes. Not the right tool for this job. That's what we got. So there we go. Gloves doesn't really help here. Keep a dry piece of paper towel going through all the connection points. So there, we're done. Hope this helps you. Good luck.